Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Today we're gonna be doing makeup. So I did a poll on Instagram to do, it was like out of two faces or whatever, and everybody chose for me to do this blue look. I'm gonna try to insert it like right here somewhere. But yeah, everybody wanted me to do the blue look. So I guess I'm gonna hook y'all up with the blue look real quick. Yeah. Never done a blue look before, so this might get a little interesting. I feel like I could change up my steps and my process on how I do my makeup and stuff, because blue sometimes can get everywhere, and then you have blue raccoon eyes. I'm not down for that. So first we're going to start off with our brows, because I lack brows. But we're gonna start off with these brows, get these popping, and then we'll conceal our eyes and do our eyeshadow. So right here I have the ColourPop Brow Boss in dark brown, and I'm going to use this to create the shape of my eyebrow. I can't move my brows. Okay, so I was trying to move my brow. Nope, wrong. Nope. So I figured I might as well talk while doing this video, because it was kind of awkward when I'm doing this one brow. So, with my pencil, I'm going to draw a line at the bottom of my eyebrow, creating my shape in a sense. If you have eyebrows, you necessarily don't need to create a shape, because you have a shape. And I mean, if you need to clean them up, pluck them, whatever you need to do, wax them to get your shape on and popping, but kind of little bald on the side. So I create what I want. So if I want straight eyebrows, I can have straight eyebrows. If I want a hella popping arch, I could have one. But I'm just gonna keep it simple. So make the line at the bottom and create the line created at the bottom. Start at the bottom, stroking upward for your brow. So just get in there and kind of like help stroke that part in. Then we're just going to brush down, heels up, brush down, heels up, brush down, heels up. Natural. You know what sucks about recording on your phone? When you're recording and people keep calling. Like, bro, I think I should put them on Do Not Disturb or something. That would be a good idea. So now we're going to conceal these brows in our eyelids. I'm using the Pro Filter Concealer by Fenty. This color is in 410. When I bought this, I felt like I could have went a little bit less. once you feel like you have enough color in the crease, then you can start blending. We're going to take
Charlie Turner.
mocha. All over my thigh, like, but Jack's, this color right here is like this reddish, brownish looking color. So we're gonna add that too. We're going to use this NYX eyeshadow base. That's what we're going to use. So I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics palette, the Take Me Back to Brazil. So I think I'm going to use, I think I'm gonna use these 3 blues to achieve the blue that I want. So first I'm gonna start off with this one. Then I'm just gonna take one of my little towelettes and I'm going to clean up that part right there, make it a little more crisp. And then I'm going to do the other eye. And we're done. So this is the eyes. And then we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte. Primer. And then I'm going to use e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Cocoa and Espresso. And then we're going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Olive. And then I'm going to use the Le Mercier setting powder. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt and Hustler Baby. So pretty much this is the overall look, and I'm going to spray my face with some Morphe setting mist, and then I'm going to put on some lashes, and then I'll be back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I slayed this beat. okay? This was just for y'all because this was hard. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you guys like this video, share, and also subscribe, because there will be more videos like this and the other videos that I've already made. Be back on the road, okay? Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.